if you have an ugly face, don't blame the mirror. And in the case of the United Nations, the ugly face is not the United Nations. It is the position of the United States for all these years to support Israel and let it do whatever it likes, I think even against the interest of Israel and Israelis. So, you know, it's this problem. And I think also what is happening now is that the United States, that likes to go around the world, you know, dressed in the clothes of human rights and rule of law and, you know, democracy, the emperor has no clothes. The emperor has no clothes. And the EU, interestingly, that the word eunuch, servant, starts with EU as well. Because in this case, the EU has been totally a eunuch in the harem of the United States policy about this. Until the United States can stop this carnage. Till the United States continues to do that, Israel knows that it can do whatever it likes. And after all, the Palestinians are nothing. They are not human. So, you know, we're not killing humans.